Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Saiz Breast Pump Premium. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included. We have a pump just here, we have a tube with a connector with two other tubes which connect to the transparent cups just here, and there's also a user manual here to help you with your experience and to help you set it up. Now go for bigger breasts and make your dreams come true with a breast pump from the Saiz collection. It features two transparent cups just here. Each have a soft silicone coating on the outside just here to help with a comfortable fit. Now simply place the cups on your breasts and make sure the edges rest against your body. Once you've done that, you can then use the squeeze pump just here to create a vacuum in the cups. This increases the blood flow supply to your breasts and they will swell and become more sensitive. You can easily get rid of the vacuum by using the air pressure release valve just here, and it releases the vacuum. Also on the cups is a measuring gauge as well, so you can see how big your breasts are getting, which makes it even more exciting. Make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Saiz Breast Pump Premium. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.